Hello, this is Ronariverah, your list building lady, and if you're here, you would want to know about shortening your link, cloaking your link. As you may know, is that when you share links on Facebook or other places, they don't actually like you sharing affiliate links. So one of the things you may want to do is to cloak it. There are lots of other things where you can not put the link in, put spaces and dots and things like that, but at the moment we're talking about cloaking it. Also, one of the reasons why you want to cloak your link is you can track where people are clicking from. So if you put your links out into different places, like one on Facebook, one on Twitter, one on your profile, you'll be able to know where those clicks are coming from. You'll also be able to track what countries they're coming from, which is very, very helpful if you're targeting certain places. Also, you can use it as a kind of a bio page or a link tree or a page where all your links are saved. So that's really, really helpful. Also, when you have an affiliate link, so for example, if you have an affiliate link like this one, for example, it's not necessarily very pretty or memorable. So you want to make it easy so you can think of it on the top of your head, or people will, it'll be easy for them to type in. If they're not copying and pasting it or anything like that. So if you look down below, there's a place where you can put your email address and your name. I will give you access to this free tool. No problem. There are other things that you can use as well, but this is the one that I'm going to show you. It's very, very simple. I'm going to show it to you on my OLSP link and a Warrior Plus link. It doesn't really matter what link you can do. You can even use it for Google if you really want to. There's no problem. So what you want to do is, let me go to the beginning. You'll see this page. You'll have, as I said, fill in your details in and I'll give you a free account. You will go to your dashboard and there'll be an option to create a link. So click on that. And the thing that you want to do is shorten URL. There's lots of other things you want to do. Feel free to play around with that, but that's the one to do, this little one, shorten URL. So we'll do this one for OLSP. This is just for those who don't know, this is an affiliate program that teaches you how to make money online. It teaches you the marketing skills. It also gives you links to promote each week. If you copy the link that you want to share, you can highlight it, click and press copy, or you can just highlight it and press Control V if you're on a PC. I haven't got a Mac, so I have no idea what you click on a Mac. You paste it onto, you go into long URL, you paste it there, and then you can type wherever you want here. So you can do it something, I've got one where I've got a specific domain with my one, but the default here is Elm Link. And then you can put it here as think of something interesting like free training. I'll put Rona in there, but you can put anything you want in there as long as no one else has used it before. So all you do is, I'm just going to do a test because I want to delete this. I'm going to press shorten link, and now it's created, and then this link is a link for you to share. So if you click on that, it'll take you to the page where you send it to them. You see, it goes to this one here, and it matches the exact same one here, but it takes you to the page, and the people can put their email address, and then you can look onto here and it can check the statistics. So it'll show you how many people have views, how many visitors. Let me quickly go to one of the past ones. So this is something I've used. Only 66 people have viewed it, but if I go into this, it will tell me in statistics that there's 34 page views, 16 visitors. Here I've had 19 people or 16 people view. It also tells me where they came from. If it came from my email, it was, or where it came from. Also what countries. So these groups, it shows United Kingdom. If I click United Kingdom, it tells me where in the United Kingdom they came from. If I go to United States, it tells me where in the United States people have clicked from. So that's very, very helpful for you to know. It also tells you what browser they come from and how long ago they're there. So that's very, very interesting if you want to keep that. But all you want to know is Here's the link that they clicked, and if you want, you can change this option here to something else, so you can still use the link and you can use a different link here. So let me go to the link that we originally done, the testing, and let's just do it again for another one, just to show you an example. So I've got an affiliate link here, let's say to Michael Cheney. I've got partner and profit, so I'm going to get the link, I'm going to copy that. Don't worry about this, it's just the bonuses I give for free who buy it. And then we go back, say create free link, shorten link, paste it in here, and you can put something else here. So I'll just put PAP Rona test, because I'm not going to use this. I'm going to shorten it, and there it is. There's your link ready to use, and then you can copy this and share it wherever you want to share it. You can put it in your email, you can put it in your Twitter page, you can do it anything else like that you want. So that's cool, simple as that. You're ready to go. As I mentioned, if you go down below the page, put your email address and your name, and I'll give you free access to that tool, plus other bonuses if you want. But also, one of the really cool things that you can do is when you create the link, you can go to a bio page, and I won't go into too much depth about here. You can just play it, you can put anything else you want in here. I'm just going to leave it blank, so it'll randomly generate something. And then here you'll be given a page where you can start playing around and adding loads of different links onto here, so you can have a page full of links. But I'm not going to go into too much depth about that. That's for you to play around with it. That's just another option that you could use. But for this specific video, it's all about link shortening. So hope that helps. I use this for everything. I use it for campaigns, to promote lives. If the link changes halfway through, I can go back in and change the link in the back, and the link will be the same for everybody, so it does not expire. So this is one of your essential tools that you need to use in your online marketing journey, your list building journey. Good speaking to you. Hope that helps. See you next time. Bye.